Live 10 at 10 continues with No Wait Weather.
Quiet and cold out there as we head into the overnight hours. Still a veil of clouds. Those clouds actually help to blanket in some of the warmth across the region, if you will. But what warmth, Hutch? Temperatures reaching only the 20s today. In fact, we're at 26 degrees. And with our wind, even though it's under 10 miles per hour, we still have wind chills close to 20 degrees. Here's a look across the region. Actual air temperatures dipping into the teens in Langdon, Devils Lake, and Valley City. Jamestown, you're holding on to 20 right now. 27 degrees in Grand Forks, the warm spot 28 in Wahpeton, Breckenridge. Otherwise, a lot of low to mid-20s across western and northwestern Minnesota. The struggle continues for area producers. This combine there having a tough time in the mud. This is near Cooperstown. Thanks, Alicia, for sharing the story that many across the region are enduring. This one also from Alicia. But some out there, I got to give it to you for your sense of humor. Take a look at this. When you're looking for your combine in the field, you'll look everywhere. All right, here's a photo sent in by Jeff, that farmer looking underwater for the combine. Thanks for all your photos. You can upload yours at valleynewslive.com. 8 is what it feels like in Devils Lake, 13 in Jamestown with those winds out there a little bit stronger out to the west. Here in western Minnesota and the valley, wind chills are in the teens and low 20s. Here's what's left of the cloud cover. It is starting to erode from the west, so we're going to get a clearing as we go through the early overnight, but that'll be quickly replaced by these clouds as another weather-making system promises to move in for Halloween. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast. Overnight, that clear patch moves over, but clouds push into our western counties. Temperatures will be in the teens, and it's going to be chilly at the bus stop in the morning with those wind chills in the single digits and teens. Ahead of that next weather maker, we're going to have winds increasing throughout the day from the southwest. So during your lunch hour, many of us will see temperatures rising through the 30s as warmer air tries to push in from the west. And then as we head into the afternoon on Halloween, things get a little batty in our weather forecast. First and foremost, I've put temperatures on here of feels like temperature. Those wind chills already down in the 20s and 30s, even though air temperatures will be in the 30s for most as we get ready for trick-or-treating fun. There will be clouds passing through. I cannot rule out a spotty flurry or two of snow for your Halloween, but the main concern is going to be winds from the southwest at 15 to 20, maybe 25 miles per hour. That will make things feel mighty chilly. So bundle up your ghosts and your goblins and give your mummies an extra wrap before they head out. Heading into the late night hours, wind chills will be trying to push down into the teens. In Fargo, 19 to start your morning out. That'll be crisp and chilly. Wind picking up through the midday hours from the southwest, 15 to 25 miles per hour. The thermometer will peak at 40. But things, well, they'll feel a little cooler for trick-or-treaters. Drive time temperatures on your way home from work, 35 to 40 degrees as a rule across the region, with some of the cooler temperatures being out in Lakes Country and Bemidji. At trick-or-treating time, this is a look at what you could expect in the 7 o'clock hour. Wind chills again in those 20s with temperatures in the 30s throughout the time. It will be breezy and there will be enough coolness to chill you to the bone. All right, here's a look at your planning forecast, but first a majestic photo of an eagle. Thanks, Nikki, for uploading that photo. This one near Thompson in Grand Forks County. Planning forecast looks like this. Plan for cold. The cold takes hold. 38 Saturday and Sunday. We have cool weather as well as we turn our clocks back. We stay in the teens, 20s, and 30s into next week. All of those snow chances look very light, you guys.
Good.
Moo-ha-ha.
Later on.